Yes.
Only yo-yo.
Oreo and many more. And the yo-yo. You see the yo-yo? Yay! Day! Say hi! Oh, magkano na yung bill natin? 8,000 na ba? And the bill is 8,000. Plus. Ito kami sa grocery area. Tulog ang isang buknoy. The final bill is dito kami sa Landmark at the counter 19. Grocery muna kami. Umabot ng 8,300 plus. Yan. Habang natutulog ang buknoy. Ito na ang aming grocery. 2 box na to. And 3 tubig. Ate Mila, are you hungry now? Day! Didi! Amin, ming lang. Amin, ming lang. Didi! Ayan. Ang dalawang kuya, oh. Rafa! Ken! Ano yun? Evia? Palit kami ng diaper. Puno na. Nag-lunch na kami, tsaka nag-grocery na. Kenrich! Oh, anong gagawin nyo dyan? Anong gagawin nyo dyan? Ken! Day! Anong gagawin nyo dyan? Shh! Rafa! Day! Rafa, tingin dito na. Upo ka na maayos parang si Ken. Dali. Upo na maayos. Upo na maayos parang si Ken. Oh, smile. 1, 2, 3, 4. Smile. Ken, smile. Paano smile? Smile muna. Ken, day, Ken, Rafa. Ken, Ken, kasi daddy nasaan? Day, pagi talaga niyang bibi na yan. Excited na? Excited, Rafael? Pasok kami dito.
of the stage so you can all enjoy the show. Once again, Tayo and Lanny's meet and greet will begin in 5 minutes. Inviting everyone, all of our participants to please take their seats here in front of our stage.
Come, Dali, come! Ken! 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 Ken, gusto mo dyan? Dito? Gusto mo dito? O, punta ikaw. O, higa na, higa. Paano hihiga? Yellow, blue. Wow! Yellow. White. Huwag iitsa, anak. White. Blue, red. Uy, wag iitsa, anak. Wag iitsa, anak. Don't throw.
I'm so glad you could join us here today to meet Tayo and Lanny. Are you ready to meet them? Okay, so before that, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Hannah.
Rafael!
Who here is ready to have some fun? Say yeah! So if you guys are ready to have some fun, I'd like to invite all of the boys and girls right here on stage.
Thank you. Thank you.
This
Kuya.
and of course my friends from Circle will be assisting you guys. Let's lower the volume, the music volume a little bit. Everybody hands down? Alright. Can you give yourselves a warm round of applause? Come on, clap for yourselves. Yes! So, for this activity, we're gonna pretend that we are inside a train. Who here has ridden a train? Say me. Okay. What about a big, big bus? Say me. Who rides a bus here? Alright, so we're gonna pretend that we're all riding a big, big bus. But this time, we will all we're gonna go, we're gonna jog, 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 and when it says yellow, what are we gonna do? Slow down. We're gonna slow, slow, slow. And when there's a hump, what happens? What happens? We're gonna jump crossing, maybe a dog or a cat. What should we do to get their attention? We do honk honk. Can we try it? Honk honk. There we go. So, are we ready to ride the bus? Say yes. Here we go. Let's go around this way. And let's play that music. Come on. Let's all march. 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 And let's go. Green. Go. Keep marching. You want to move? Let's move. 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 Let's move. Come on. Go, go, go. Yes. Keep moving. And let's go faster. Faster. Yes. And it's a yellow light. Yellow light. Slow down. Slow. 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 Red light. And green. Let's go. And we're seeing a hop. There's a hop. Let's jump. Go. Oh no, there's an animal crossing, everybody. Say honk honk. Honk honk. March it up. And red light. Everybody say honk honk. Wow, good job, everyone. Give yourselves a big, big round of applause. All right, you now may get off the stage and go back to your mommies and daddies. Thank you for joining me. Hi. You want to stay here? Okay, go back to mommy and daddy because we still have more activities for all of you. Yes, bye. See you later. All right, just go back. Just go back and take your seats.
Rafa!
You may take a shortcut on
Did you have fun?
Just be
Oh, upo na doon, tabi ni Daddy.
so
Upo muna sa tabi ni Daddy.
Wow, what a trip! Yes, keep passing it. What about on the right side? On the left side, right here. Keep going. What about this side? don't you start fighting now? Now, why don't you guys tell us what happened today? Why did you get dirty?
Well, Hannah, hard-working buses like us have to spend all day in the road.
That's true. We can't stop. You know what they say, the wheels of the bus go round and round.
Round and round indeed.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The horn of the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn of the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut all through the town. The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus go round and round all through the town.
Woo! Looks like you guys really got tired from work, huh?
Yes. Can we sleep in our garage now, Hannah?
Yeah, but I have to get you cleaned up first, guys. And I think I can get some of our friends to help me out. Who would like to clean?
Of course, Hannah. We love it.
Oh, so right now I think I can give you a nice big hug. Come on, bring it in.
The little kid bus is leaving. Vroom, vroom, here we go. The happy bus at the bus stop near my house. I can see it every day. The little kid bus is leaving. Vroom, vroom, here we go. The happy bus here and there, way around town. He drives us every day. Vroom, vroom, it's always alright, even when it rains. Vroom, vroom, the little square bus. He keeps moving even when it snows. The little kid bus is leaving. Vroom, vroom, here we go. The happy bus. Front door when you get on, back door when you get off. Let's press the button.
All right, everybody. Thank you once again for joining us today. And I think it's time to say bye-bye to our little bus friend for a while. Say bye-bye, honey.
Bye-bye, Nanny.
Say bye, Sayo.
Bye, Sayo.
All right, and it's also a goodbye for me as well. But again, don't you guys worry because we will be right back for our photo opportunity. Okay? I'm just gonna gas up these two buddies right here. So, see you guys later. Bye.
Asan si Ken? May picture ba to
To all of our parents who left their kids on stage to have their photo opportunity with Tayo and Annie, please meet your kids on the right side of the stage. And